Okay, it's been a while since we actually spoke about PCs on the channel, and let's just say there's some good news coming from AMD that could actually benefit a lot of those that are still using older GPUs, especially if you're someone that's still using Radeon 5000 or even 6000. So let's get straight to what was recently reported from AMD. Now for me, if that do not know, AMD is really well known when it comes to budget GPUs, especially for those that are wanting to get into the gaming scene, because let's be honest, gaming is extremely expensive, especially in the PC scene. And while let's just say AMD might have just done something that is making a lot of PC gamers a bit happier. Now it was actually reported that a lot of gamers were really angry with AMD because, well, there was not much support for these older GPUs. And well, AMD has recently put out a statement with the following. So this was actually what AMD said on the 30th of October, which they said, future driver updates with targeted game optimizations will focus on RDNA 3 and RDNA 4 GPUs. But on the 31st of October, this is what AMD actually said. New features, bug fixes, and game optimizations will continue to be delivered as required by market needs in the maintenance mode branch. And then came straight to the time of recording, which is November 4th. This is what AMD recently put out. Yes, game optimization and support for all RDNA Series 1 through 4 roll out at the same time in both driver packages, including but not limited to COD, Crimson Desert, and Resident Evil. Which means yes, if you are someone that is still using Radeon 5000 and 6000, you'll actually be getting driver updates very soon that will allow you to be more optimized when it comes to your gaming stations, especially using these older GPUs. Which, by the way, AMD did not need to do this, but yet again, these older GPUs are still performance and makes sense why some people were kind of upset that they stopped support, but it looks like they are now bringing more support to these older GPUs. But let me know in the comments below, do you think this is a good win from AMD to give more support for these older GPUs, even though they did not really have to? But I hope you guys enjoyed. See you guys next one. Be safe as always, and I'll catch you guys on Friday's video.